Hi there! Today I have the Creative Memories mystery box number 2. Don't open till May, well, for the May virtual crop, but spoiler alert, I'm going to open it today. So if you don't want to know what's in it, don't watch. But if you're curious and would want to know ahead of time, go ahead and watch. I'm going to open it up. Alright, so we are going to dive in and find out what is in the Creative Memories Secret Box number 2 for 2026. And again, if you don't want to open this until the May virtual crop, then tune out now. You can always come back later. But if you want to know what's in it, then watch, because we are going to find out here in a minute, as soon as I get all this plastic off. Well, doesn't that figure? There we go. I just love mystery boxes and secret boxes. They are so much fun. Ready? Oh, I see a punch already. A chevron punch. Chevron frame punch. Good. We can make a frame with that. Lovely. Looks like I would make a pocket too. It's kind of what... Yeah. Oh, here's how it will look. Yeah, we're going to punch it and see. I like it. All right. Get project ideas for secret box number 2 by scanning the QR code. Take our fill out. Ooh, looks sunny, bright and sunny. Oh, I love it. Okay, already I love it. Yes, I like bright and sunny. Summer's my favorite time of year. So what do we have? We have these Summer Luxe embellishments. Quite lovely. Got some tags, some leaves, some florals, little frame. Everyday Magic. We can do some layering here with this stuff for sure. Stars. It's kind of like those retro. You know what? I should probably put this on a... Let's do this. I'll put these out on one of the sheets of paper. Let's do that. That might make it better for you. All right, stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? We all do. So just nice and sunny and floral. Got us some border stickers. And then we have Family Summer Lovin', Summertime Sun-Kissed, Chasing the Sun. I bet this will coordinate well too with our summer Chasing the Sun line that just came out. I do believe. All right, let's look at some of the papers. And it coordinates with pumpkin, canary, avocado, dark green, and caramel cardstocks. I could definitely see that. So the canary and the pumpkin also coordinates with the Chasing the Sun. So we got us a green. And on the other side of the green, we've got looking like a flower bed there. And then we've got the sun. Of course, 2 of each. And on the sunshine paper, we've got the grass or the leaves. And then, ooh, that's pretty. Nice bright yellow. And then we've got the checkered, is that no, not checkered, diamonds. Diamonds pattern there. And then we've got orange. Oh, that's so retro, isn't it? Those flowers. And then we've got green pattern. And then that kind of looks like stones. And then we got us a brown and brown swirls. Let's see what would be best. How about this orange for putting the embellishments out? So we've got us a frame, a leaf, Everyday Magic, some more flowers, tag, some little journaling plate pieces here, circle, Everyday Moments, Season of Smiles. We've got more leaves, lots of leaves, Sweet and Simple. Some more. This is just so retro. Golden Days. Little ribbon there. Ribbon tag. Smile Big. Here's our little stones. Some more leaves. A frame. Stones. I believe this was one of the lower priced one. I have to should have had that info. I'll grab it, and before I wrap up the video I'll come back and tell you how much it was. The Little Things, Sunshine Days, Floral, Simple Joys. Another, see how retro that is? That all starting to make sense, and it's all a little bit retro. Love This Day, another little tag, round tag, and a leaf. So hang on and I'll be right back. Oh, we're going to we want to punch with our chevron punch. Yes, so I looked it up and the price is $54.50 for this surprise kit. And you also get this border punch, and we're going to work on that now. So the chevron border punch, and I like to punch. So we'll do a strip first, and then we'll do an actual border. So if you just wanted to have a strip across your page, of course you're going to use a 12 by 12 or a 12-inch sheet, at least 12 inch this way, so you can get it to go across the whole page. I'm just doing a sample now, but I like to punch. I go from the right to the left. I go this way when I punch. It's just the most comfortable for me. So I line up with this first line here. There are two lines, so there's a line here. If you like to punch this way, you would line up with that second punch. But since I punch going this direction, I'm going to line it up. So right there to the edge of my paper to that line, and then I want it to back up against that back there. All right, and so then I just hold it down and punch, and then we're going to move it over and we're going to match up the design and punch again, and then match up the design. I think one's gonna be off. It's not gonna reach the whole way, but then that's what your chevron will look like, and you get these little pieces. Oh yeah, so the ones that are intact, that's pretty cool. My husband's a Chevy guy. That would just give us the Chevy symbol, wouldn't it? So, see how it's gonna look on your paper? Very pretty. Let's do the border feature now. So for the border, you're going to line it up differently. You want a square. Make sure your paper is square to do the border. And you can have any size square you want. Just make sure it's square. Then this line, you line up differently. So you're going to line up, if you see this line right here, that's what you're going to line up for the border. Or if you punch that way, you're going to line it up with that line. So instead of this and this, you're lining it up on the actual board. You can think of it like that. Line it up on the board for the border. So I'm going to put the edge of my paper right where that line is. Make sure it's up against there. And I'm going to punch. And then I'm going to do the same thing and match it up. And punch. Looks like we're going to get 2 with this size. And then you're going to put this here. And then here. And then you're going to turn it. Put it right there. And then, there we go. And then turn it and line it up there. So it's kind of looking like a little bit of a lattice work, isn't it? And then line it up there. Is that our last one? Yep, that's our last. Oh, I like that. Oh, wow. Okay, I do like that. I really like that. And then you could put a photo in here, or you could put something in here. You could do like a little layering kind of thing. Season of Smiles, have a photo in there, and put some of this along it. Oh, okay. I really love these papers. Very, very pretty. So I'm happy with this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot.